Are you having problems that your WhatsApp is not loading and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix it myself. So first thing you need to do is to close your WhatsApp app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. In here, just scroll down, click on General, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here. So in here, scroll down, click on Storage, and now you're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for it to load here, as you can see. Now just swipe up, click on Search right here, search for WhatsApp, click on the WhatsApp app right here. Now click on Offload app, and once again click on Offload app in here. We're just going to wait a couple of seconds and click on Reinstall app here once again. And if you're using an Android phone, it's going to be the exact same thing. Just find storage on your settings on your Android and make sure that you actually, maybe it says like clear cache or something like that for you. Just click there and then just follow the exact same step-by-step guide. And that is basically exactly how I was able to fix it.